NASDAQ and S&P 500 rebounds just exactly like what we predict. So what is next for NASDAQ and for some of the stock? Welcome to ymchannel. This channel is about trading strategy and money mindset. Click like, subscribe, and share with your friend if you want to make more money. Click right now. So now we start as NASDAQ. So this is my exclusive indicator. I want to introduce you. So I always mention you. This is a blue line. I call YM Club Long. So I changed the name to Long. So for the user, for the subscriber, to better understanding what is going on with this indicator. Remember when the blue line is going downward, basically they can tell us a trend and when to enter the stock, okay? When it's going downward, we don't consider the stock at all, okay? This is so easy. So remember, you trade with the trend if you don't want to go too deep for the technical analysis, okay? Don't try to buy the super, the lowest, oh my God, the lowest price, okay? Don't stop dreaming, okay? Don't do that, because sometimes after you bought, they go lower and they go lower, okay? So this is easy. You buy when it's going upward. For example, here, it's confirmed going upward. We hold until they're going down. Okay, so we basically sell when it's going downward. Okay, so it's easy. So right now, for those who already subscribe to this indicator, you will have more than one indicator in the bundle. I want you to check your stock, your holding right now to see the blue line. They call YM Club Long. Okay, for the to see the trend is upward, downward, or flat. Okay, this is number one. When this is upward, it's fine. Okay, when it's upward and they stay above this blue line, you are safe. Okay, just like here, stay above and it's going upward. When it's downward, you need to look for the selling point. Okay, when it's downward. When it is flat, you need to check also the red line and the position of this. Okay, so sometimes, okay, if the stock they stay above the blue line and the blue line go flat, it's still okay. If they stay below, you need to check. Okay, you need to check this indicator as well, and also some other. Okay, so in the future, maybe later I show you some more examples. So now, right now, tell me, the blue line is going downward. So going downward, what happened is the downtrend. We don't hold anything basically here. Okay, so I mentioned on Monday we will have a rebound. So try not to. I don't recommend my follower, especially the one did not take the course, to catch the rebounds, because the rebounds could be quite short. Is it possible? Yes, it's a rebound. Okay, and if you don't have the technique to see where is the resistance, where is the support, I don't recommend you to do the rebound trade. Okay, if when it's going downward, why you bother to do the rebound trade? I prefer you to don't lose the money. Okay, remember, rule number one, don't lose your money, man. Don't lose your money, remember. So we better to use an easy way, which is when it's upward, we buy here, for example. Okay, even here. Okay, so this is NASDAQ. I want to show you one thing is the indicator called YM Chips. Basically, is the organization is the red chips. You look at the peak. Is it one peak lower than the previous peak? So this is quite concerning. And the purple line here is going downward. You see here? Okay, so it's consistently mean the chips going for the organization holding is going down. Okay, so basically from here. Okay, from here. Okay, so and we have the green chips. Green chips mean the lock chips, so individual chips. So this is not good. Okay, so that's why I say the rebounds will be short. Okay, try not to be too greedy to catch the rebounds. If you don't buy right now. Okay, if you still have some stock, you need to find the good selling price. Okay, so I will show you what's going on next. This one. Okay, this is the YM Club Fast. Basically, they go smoothly with the stock, okay? And it provides us a selling point and buying point. And right now we are quite weak. We are under the red. Both line is going downward. Although I say Monday could be a rebound, but it seems quite weak. We can see here, okay? So if you use the golden ratio, you click this first button here, basically the first, and you click, and you can draw this golden ratio. Right now, where are we right now? We are at 61.8 here. So basically, it's better to rebalance here, okay? So if they drop below this, it will go a bit lower, okay? That's it. And it will form a downward trend. You see the lower high and lower low. So hopefully they form a double bottom. They stop around here and they go rebounds. Okay, this is the for the NASDAQ. Okay, next one I want to show you is our favorite stock. Well, my favorite stock, Tesla. So what's going on right now? I want to show you is I also show you this one. In the last video, I show you how to see the islands reversal. So I'm not going to repeat here. I put in the end of the video. You can watch it if you haven't. And it's a good strategy to tell the trend reverse, okay? So we need few days to confirm the gap thing. So the gap top, if we don't go back to the top of the gap, basically, it's possible we continue to go down. And where is the support? The support would be this one. The lowest price, it's possible we go back to here. The first support is around here. The lowest price of this candle. 212, basically. Around 212.3, basically. Okay? So this is the thing. And hopefully, if you see the pattern here, hopefully they don't form this kind of pattern, or even they do this, right? Okay, because this is like a downward trend. So lower high and lower low. Okay, so hopefully they will rebound here. Okay, so if they rebound, it will look good. Okay, the next thing, so I told you the supports. Let me draw you a line because you guys will forget. Okay, so the support is here. 212.36, okay? And the I also mentioned you the resistance before is, remember the resistance for the weekly chart, the head and shoulder thing. I don't know, do I need to repeat? Head and shoulder here, okay? The good one is they will stop around 300. I mentioned you so many times. If they form a head and shoulder, then it is great. Around here. So around this one, okay? Around 300, 299.95. So it's basically it's 300, okay? So you see they stop right, well, the resistance is beautiful. I'm sorry to say beautiful. It stopped the stock from going higher, but it is beautiful. You see, they stop right away, they come down. They stop right away, they come down. They stop right away, they come down. This one, stop right away, they come down. Okay, so it doesn't go higher, and basically it stops at this resistance. This is quite a good resistance as well, if you know how to draw the line. This bottom, this high, and they form another high here. Okay, so right now we have the resistance. We have the support. Do you want to know how far, not how far, what is the next resistance? Do you remember what I told you? The next resistance would be the gap, the top of the gap, okay? So you can check the top of the gap, basically here. Okay, so you can check the next resistance. Easy. If you don't have my indicator, if you have my indicator, you can basically trade with my indicator. That's it. Okay, so the chip paths here, you see we are quite weak still here. We are still under this purple line. It's going downward. We have the green chips. Does it look good? No. So it will be a short rebound. Okay, short rebounds. The peak is lower and lower. First here, second here, third here, the red chips. Okay, so does it look good? Not really, but we need some time. Let's see how it goes. And for the short term, this one, YM buy a big buy. So it tells us for short term, this is only for short term. And you can see we go below 0. The red one means the selling power, and you go below 0. So the market is weak. But the good thing is the selling, they kind of stop. So so it's a net. What does it mean? The big buy means the big trade. The net, they use the net. Let's say the buying minus the selling. Okay, so this is the net. So this is quite almost, you see? The net of the net sell is reducing here. Okay, so hopefully they flash a green bar. Green bar means the net buy for big trade is higher than the net sell. Okay, so is it very useful indicator? This is for short term. Okay, so it's very useful indicator. For trading, you need to know 3 things. The trend, we trade with the trend. You don't go against the trend. Rule number 3. Okay. You go with the trend, so it's easier. Number 2 is the fund. You follow the fund. Like when they come in, they holding. When do they leave? Okay. The third is the buying selling point. You need to have these 3 in order to make some winning for trading for long term. Okay, so if you don't know how to do it, I really highly recommend you to join my complete course so I can explain you the whole system. On YouTube, I didn't teach you everything. Oh, by the way, do you want to learn more about the candlestick pattern? If you want to learn, I haven't told you any, I think, like the island reversal I just told you last time. But if you want to learn more, usually I put this in my course. So I pick few of them and then can share with you here free on YouTube. If I have 50, I say 50 likes on YouTube. Is it possible? Yes, I have more than 50 views. So it's possible. Everyone click a like right now. So I will give some of the course for free on YouTube. Do you like it? Do you want to learn it? Do you want to learn for free? Click like right now. Okay, so right now, I want to show you is, this candle. Remember, on Tesla, basically, I like this stock, especially I use it a lot for the YouTube sharing. Why? Because there's so much things to learn from this chart. It's like on one single chart, even without my indicator, you would be amazed about how much things going on here. Really, I want to show you right now. So basically, you know nothing about my indicator. You did not do anything. So, but look at this candle. The date up 7.69%. On this candle is quite critical. It's a critical candle. Okay. So what's going on with this candle? I want to draw you a rectangle for you to see better. Basically, when the stock, sorry for my pronunciation, when the stock come almost the bottom of this, or like when they come in this zone, basically they stop dropping. They stop dropping. Why? Because there's some buying coming in. Okay. How to? Okay, supposed to be lower. So basically this candle did not drop below. Let me see how to. Anyway, so you can draw it yourself. Okay, this candle, you draw a purple line here. Basically, it did not drop below this line. okay, which is around the price here, 237.77, 237.77. So when they hit around this area, they have some buying here. Look at this candle shape, like a hammer, boom, go up, right? So as long as we stay above this, the lowest price of this, we are still okay. So basically, another thing I want to show you is this candle. This is a critical candle. We need, okay, so first this candle is critical. Another critical is this one, right? Okay, so we need to go above this candle because I told you before, like they have some support here before, and then they will go up, and we need to go above this to confirm this is done, because it's still dropping a little bit, but it's not drop below. We need to have a green candle to stay above this, and then they will start the rebounds. Now, is it really started for this stock? It's not, yeah, only rebounds for 1 day. Okay, only rebounds for 1 day. So we need to wait a little bit. Okay, so the next one I want to show you is one of the, actually, I'm not recommending you to do any trade, by the way. I just want to show you something funny. Look at the, okay, let's say you don't look at this. Look at this. It's stably going downward. So stably, like a slice, like, okay? And the blue line is going down. So will you buy this stock? Yeah, I'm not recommending it, but I'm a wrong question. So this is downward trend, the fund is going. Okay, so I don't recommend you to anything, but I just show you what's going on. The chart tell us what information. Okay, so this is CCL, and another one. I remember you, one of the subscriber asked me for this stock, and I just want to show you this chart in case you haven't subscribed yet. So downward. What is funny is they never come, they're trying to come above this, but the funding is not, the fund is not giving the push. You see here? Green chips, and this is not giving the push going upward. So they stop and then they come down. Okay. So to be careful with it. Is it buying point right now? No. Well, I don't recommend you any trade, but myself, from the chart was telling you, it's not yet turning good. Well, at least you have to go above red. The best is go above the blue, and the blue is flat, or the blue is going upward. Okay, we try to make a profit with the trend. Let's say you buy here and you hold, you can sell here or here when they drop below the blue. Okay, of course you can sell here also. Okay, yeah, so you need more technique. You need some more indicator, not just these two indicator. You need more this to analyze the stock. Okay, the next one I'm going to show you. Oh, let's see Apple, shall we? Apple. By the way, I don't hold Apple this moment. Okay, so now Apple. Downward, downward. And I show you in one of my video about the triangle analyze, remember? So let's say we don't have this indicator, and you can draw it easily like this, right? So they try to bounce inside the triangle, and hopefully they go upward, right? But so far they go downward. And you look at this YM big buy. What is going on? We have just right below the zero, we flash a red, right? So is it good indicator? Yes, because if first it flash a red and it's go below 0, so it's very critical. This candle, boom, go down. And look at this for long term. Why I didn't hold this stock? Because I look at the trend. Okay, even I don't use my YM Club indicator. I use another of my indicator called YM Cheapest, which is also inside the indicator bundle. You can see this purple line is going downward. So be careful. Apple, remember the Magic 7 stock, the 7 technology stock are critical for NASDAQ. Okay, so if Apple is going bad, it will affect the NASDAQ index. Okay, even Tesla, even Nvidia, Facebook, yeah, those 7 stocks, Amazon. So I just want you to be careful. Check your stock with my indicator. If you haven't got my indicator, subscribe it. You can unsubscribe anytime, but at least you know this is an upward trend or downward trend. Should you sell? Should you hold? Should you buy? At least you need to know the trend. Okay, so this is critical. You can unsubscribe anytime. If you subscribe by month, just try it. You know, if you don't want to try, you would just you will. I don't want to say anything about this, but good luck. Okay, so this is my sharing today, and for the any question, you can drop me the comment below. And one of the subscriber asked me about, can they use the indicator for short term? The answer is yes, but I never mention, I never share how to trade short term, like 30-minute or 1 hour chart or 50-minute. I never try to share with you because I want you to master the weekly and daily chart, because this is less stressful. If you trade the short term, if you're a day trader, which is fine if you have the technique. If you're not, don't do it. Yes, it is very exciting, but go to play the roller coaster instead. Don't play with your money, man. I want you, how to say, I want you to make money from the trading market. I don't want you use the trading market to excite you. Oh, wow, go so exciting to going down. No, this is not my purpose, man. My purpose is to help you to make more money, and day trade is very difficult. Yes, you can use my indicator to apply for 5 minutes or for the short time frame. Yes, but for most of the trader, if you don't have the technique, please do it with day, weekly, even yearly chart. Okay, so this is my advice, and I don't think in the near future I will mention for very short time frame here, because people will follow. I know, and I don't want to see that. I don't want you guys to be very stressful. First, it's not my personality to trade short time frame because it's so stressful. I want you to get financial freedom plus time freedom. This is the purpose of I make this video, and I hope this can help you a little bit rather than to make you so stressful. You know, I don't want to see that. So click like, subscribe, and share with your friends. So I will teach you more, share with you more of my trading technique. And I hope you find it is so useful, and to help you at least to avoid those downward trend stock. Okay, so that's it. See you next time, and yeah, have a good day. Bye. Click like, subscribe, and share with your friend. The link I will put, the subscription link I will put in the description. Click there, and don't click any link from the someone will make some comment, especially for the crypto video. When I make some scammer will put some links, so just be careful. So only click the link in my description. Try to protect you, because I do care about you. Okay, so click like, subscribe, and share with your friend. Talk to you later next time. Bye bye.